Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Today we are going to see block number 18, the tropical forest region. In the last chapter, we have seen about the desert region. Now we are going to see tropical region. As we have seen in the last topic, the peoples living in the desert region, their occupation, their way of living, their food habits, their clothes. Same thing we are going to learn here. But now here it's too different from the desert region. Here we are going to learn location and climate. People of the tropical forest, vegetation and wildlife, which is totally different from the desert region. The tropical forests have existed on Earth for millions of years, unlike desert regions, which are barren and dry. Tropical forest regions have dense forest with a large variety of animals. The hot and wet climate make it possible for many plants and animals to survive in this region. The climate also influences the occupation of people, what they eat, the way they dress, and how they live. Just like the desert region, here also all the things differs, like their occupation, their food, their dress, and as we have seen in the desert region, here also we'll see a total different phase of this tropical forest region. Tropical forest region also existed on the earth from million of years, unlike the desert region. The difference is desert regions are barren and dry, whereas tropical forest region have dense forest with a large variety of animals. Animals, the wildlife and the vegetation also changes here. Location and climate. Tropical forest region lie on both sides of the equator. The area near the equator is also known as the equatorial region. The tropical forest region lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. It has a warm and wet climate throughout the year. This region is also humid because it rains heavily. This region also lies on the both side of equator, and the tropical forest region lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Here the climate is total different. Like the climate is warm and wet throughout the year. And this region is also humid because here heavy rainfall is there. As compared to desert, there is lowest rainfall or no rain. But here it's heavy rainfall. People of the tropical forest. The Democratic Republic of Congo is one of the largest countries in Africa that falls in the tropical forest region. In this tropical forest region, the largest country in Africa is Congo, Republic of Congo, which falls in this region. Like other tropical forests, it has a hot and wet climate and a dense forest. Congo River passes through it. Here in the figures, you can see the people carrying the wooden sticks, and some of them they are working in the field. For many years, the Bantu tribe has been living in this region. Those who lived deep in the forest, hunt animal and gather plants, fruits and honey. They depend on the forest to earn their living. Some of them also grow crops like maize, cassava, coffee and rubber. They eat bananas, pineapples, sweet potatoes, cassava, maize, meat and fish. See the difference in their diet, in their food and also in their work. Some of them live in stilt house. There are stilt houses where they live, while others live in the huts made of straw. Stilt houses protect them from heavy rains and floods. The Bantu people usually wear colorful clothes and enjoy singing and dancing. These days, many people from this tribe have moved to the cities and have started working in factories and in coal, gold, and diamond mines. Nearly we can see the people from desert as well as this tropical region. These people have migrated to cities and started working in the cities and the factories. Another group of people who have been living in the Congo region for hundreds of years are the pygmies. They are very short and are hunters and gatherers. These days, they live in the Ituri forest of Congo. There is the other group also and a different group in the Congo as Bantu tribe and they are pygmies. They are pygmies because they are short. They are called pygmies because they are very short and they are hunters and they depend upon hunting and gatherers means they gather like honey or some medicinal herbs or so many things from the forest. They must be gathering all this thing. Here, vegetation and wildlife also differs. How it differs? Let's see. As tropical forests get heavy rainfall, they have more kind of trees than any other forest in the world. Due to the rain, heavy rains in this region, there are hundreds of trees and many more varieties other than in the world. Means there are lot of trees. Only here we can found these trees. They are also home for many animals. The forests are usually dark and dense. Due to many more trees, these forests are dark and dense. The trees are evergreen and tall with broad leaves. Mahogany, ferns, orchids, and many other plants are found in this forest. The forests have four layers. The lowest layer is the forest floor. Plants that need very little sunlight grow here. The next layer is the understory, which has shrubs and is home to many insects and a few animals. The third layer is canopy. It covers the forest like a roof, making it difficult for the sunshine to come through. The highest layer is the emergent layer, which has the tallest trees rising above the canopy. Some animals found in the tropical forest are gorillas, chimpanzees, elephants, snakes, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, crocodile, orangutans, and baboons. So, this is all about the tropical region. As compared to the last chapter, see here also many things differs and differs in all the ways. The climate, vegetation, wildlife, and the way the people live here. But the common thing you can find is nowadays many of these tribes, people from these tribes have shifted to cities and started working in the factories. So you must have understood this chapter. If any doubt or any kind of difficulty, we solve it during our online class. It's a very small chapter. After this, I'll send you the PDF also regarding this chapter. Okay, children? So let's meet during our online session. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.